Good morning, happy campers. Ooh, boy, I actually slept last night. I feel a lot better. So today was the first day I woke up and, to some scenes that I kind of imagined when thinking about doing this. We slept here by the lake, and I'll show you the view. Well, I don't know if I can turn this around, but I know I've got like a bunch of pictures of it. But yeah, anyways, in back of me, woke up to all of this. And that's kind of what I was seeing outside my tent. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. Last night on this lake, there were fireflies all over it, and early this morning, I mean, just the colors, everything is so gorgeous. And then woke up and made my coffee, about to drink that. And Chad briefly got up, but then went back to bed, which I don't blame him, but it gets, sunrise is at about like 4:30 here in this location, so my body can't really sleep any longer after the sun has already come up, especially if I'm in it. So I'm up, yay. But this campground actually has some breakfast, and we're gonna have breakfast that we don't have to cook this morning, so excited. All right, so with that, I'm gonna drink my coffee, and we'll talk to you guys some more later. Bye.